Well, ABC4's Jared Jatanini joins us live now from the mouth of Big Cottonwood Canyon, where the talk up there is about the danger of avalanches with all of this new snow in the mountain. Jared, what is the Utah Avalanche Center saying?
Well, Rick, Utah Avalanche Center is saying that our snowpack right now is still settling in, but tonight there was no risk as skiers are heading up to Brighton for some night ski because obviously resorts do some mitigation work, but running into some unsettled snow is still top of mind.
It's kind of fun at night, different atmosphere.
Jake Cowden says he sticks to the resorts because Utah's backcountry is too unpredictable for his skill level. And the Utah Avalanche Center says that's exactly what Cowden should do.
Anybody who's headed out into the backcountry, definitely be armed with the latest avalanche forecast for the zone you plan to travel in.
Right now, across the state, mountain ranges are at a considerable avalanche risk.
And some of our rural regions, like the western Uintas, Logan area mountains, the Manti skyline, snowpack there is just a little bit sketchier, and we just loaded it up with a big New Year's storm. And as such, human-triggered avalanches are still likely.
According to the Utah Avalanche Center, since the beginning of 2023, there have been 62 avalanches, 6 of those happening yesterday alone. A majority of those avalanches have been human-caused.
Exercising a little patience right now, pumping the brakes just a little bit. Eventually, with some more storms coming, nice thick insulating blankets of snow, we're going to start to round the corner and things are going to be good to go. Right now, though, just need to tone our stoke meter down just a little bit.
The Utah Avalanche Center and Cowden say it's always best to be weather aware and to not only wear your goggles and helmet, but to have a shovel, beacon, and probe for backcountry skiing.
I like the thrill of it. Like, you know, you could hit a tree at any time, or, you know, if you get going pretty fast, that sound it makes in your helmet. So it's like the adrenaline a little bit.
Yeah, the Utah Avalanche Center says that after this next storm system moves through, our avalanche danger could downgrade to moderate, but there's really no telling until after that next storm hits. Live, Jared Jatanini, ABC4 News.